So I'm gonna show you guys that my dog is wearing one of these things. Good boy. So he's wearing one of these lights, two of them, all right? He's actually wearing two. You guys can see. So when you're walking your dog, he could be the light, so they won't run you guys over. This is a perfect device. So these are super tiny LED flashlights, and look at this. They have clips. I put these on my hats when I'm working at night in my backyard or walking my dogs. They have different functions. Don't worry about batteries. You charge them up with Type C. You get two of them, all right? And the way it works, I'm going to turn it on so you guys can see how powerful they are. That's one light right now, dimmer. And then the light that you want to put on the back of your bike. And then you're walking at night or you're changing your tire. You want to put this out. People can see this from far and then turn off. So you get two of them. Functional LED lights. Let's put them to use, and I'm going to test them out here in my yard so you guys can see how bright they are. And one in the back so you can see me walking, SOS or maybe the red sign, all right? So we're going to put one in the back. These lights are really bright that you can see from far away. All right, as you can see, he's going to use the flashlights because we're going to change the faucets and we need some light in here. And look at this. There's one on his chest and one that's underneath. So we're going to go ahead and remove our old faucet